What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you a story of why I really don't fly helicopters in the RC world, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc.
Okay guys, so story time real quick. About 10-15 years ago, if you can see that helicopter in the back behind my TV here, I purchased that, and when I was able to fly it, it didn't turn out so well. Basically crashed and burned. She still flies, but this was like a one and done thing for me, so she just became a shelf ornament. I was just basically one and done, because when she flew, she wasn't doing what I wanted her to do, and she went one way and I thought I was supposed to go another way. It's very difficult to fly a helicopter, in my opinion, for RCs. I even tried it in a simulator and I just wasn't having good luck. So maybe, just maybe, the newer ones, like the one I just purchased, are a little bit easier to fly. We're about to find out. So let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. That was too close. Okay, alright, so as I'm panning, you can see, get a kind of better view of this hover. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that S word. Shuwanga ma. I don't know if that's right or if that's wrong, but whatever this is saying on the helicopter, that it's a 9100 double horse S. Whatever that means. You got the hover on the body here of the actual helicopter. I like the color scheme. You got orange here, black. Your blades have like an orange just color to it. But I purchased this on auction, and I'm actually hoping everything is here with it for me to attempt to once again, after 20 some years, try to fly a helicopter. I don't know if this carbon is real or if it's imitation carbon, if that's such a thing, but we have the on off switch here. Flipping her around. Okay, this looks like where the battery goes.
Okay, this looks like where the battery goes.
And that's one thing I'm not seeing in here, is a battery.
Okay, this looks like where the battery goes.
Which would be a complete bummer, because then I would have to do some research as to which battery this guy would take. But let me get the actual controller out here so you guys can see it, and you put an antenna on it, and yeah, so this left button here doesn't go left or right, it's just up or down. This goes left and right as well as up and down, and I'm already confused because you got to make sure all this stuff is calibrated. I have no idea what back and forth. See, all this stuff has to be neutral when you start, otherwise your copter is going to get away from you, and that is when bad things happen. Oh, it does have power to it. Only concern right now is that I don't see a battery for this guy.
Okay, this looks like where the battery goes.
Bummer. Upon further inspection, this guy has had some damage. Right here. Right there, there's a huge crack. So somebody else attempted to fly this guy and said nope, no thank you. And here comes a sucker like me, and I buy it thinking I'm going to try this again. So this one might end up being just another trophy piece sitting somewhere on my computer desk. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like helicopters and RC helicopters, drop a like in this video. Dropping the likes will let me know that you want me to continue to pursue, whether it's to get a battery for this guy here or to get another copter and get back on that saddle and see if I can fly this thing. Also, you can hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. We try our best to drop videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Sunday for sure. Wednesday can be kind of up in the air because, you know, I do work full-time and things of that nature, and there's some personal things going on that sometimes that I can't drop it on Wednesday, but most definitely I will try to get a video to you guys every Sunday. So with that being said, I ain't gonna hold y'all until the next video. Y'all be easy. Peace.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I think I actually spoke too soon. We just might be able to fly this guy. Silly me. I was looking further at this helicopter and yeah, here are these connectors here. So the battery is inside there somewhere. Duh. And then once I started packing things up, I found this charger here, which was in the back of this styrofoam package here. And then I found this, the adapter. So I will plug this adapter up into this charger and then hook this battery up into this charger, and we should get some kind of knowledge of whether we're charging or not. And if we are, hey, what better way than to practice on a used helicopter versus buying a new one and tearing it up. So let's see if this guy actually charged, and if it do, we're back in business, boys and girls. Stand by. Helicopter now connected to charger. Wall adapter now connected to charger. Now let's take helicopter to an outlet and see what we have.
noprosrc.
Okay, so what we have is a battery that's already inside the helicopter, and I figured it out, and now it's charging. So everything I said in this video is basically hogwash now, because we already have the battery, we have a charger. So if this thing charges up, or when it finishes charging up, we can definitely take her out and be very, very careful. We need to find an open space and see what she can do. But that will be on the next video, so you guys will just have to stay tuned for that one. Yeah, so now I'm super excited to see what I can do. But first, I'm going to be watching a lot of videos, especially on this, so I can know what the heck I'm doing, because there is no instructions inside this box. So until the next video, guys, yeah, this is going to happen. It's about to go down. All right, peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.